may not believe it, but this is really Private McGillicuddy, and his unusual activity is quite a surprise. Face mask, rubber gloves, disinfectant. Looks like he's preparing for an important operation. And he is. He's going to wash his mess gear. Although he's knocking himself out with all this surgical etiquette, there's good reason for it. Mac is not taking any more chances. So draw up a foxhole and we'll tell you why. Once upon a time, McGillicuddy ignored the commandment, "Thou shalt carefully and faithfully wash thy mess gear, both before and after meals. For verily, if thou become negligent in this habit, thy guts shall be like knots in a wet rope." So, while the other men went through their usual routine of cleaning their mess gear in scalding hot soapy water, McGillicuddy would stash his lazy butt under a coconut tree and wash his gear in his own way. Sure, it looks clean, but it isn't. You can't clean your mess gear by licking it.
You can't?
No, that just makes it look pretty. Here, look at it through this magnifying glass. You see those little spots? They're bits of decayed food, and no telling how long they've been there. Now watch closely. Cute, ain't he? That is a germ. You ain't seen nothing yet. Take another gander. Now watch him multiply. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 8,970,562. If you haven't been washing your mess gear properly, you've been eating those dirty microscopic scavengers. Well, that's more like it. And that isn't all. You've got to wash it again before you eat. Otherwise, stray insects, like this fly, for instance, will foul it up again. Maybe he's just been to the privy, or maybe a garbage dump, and undoubtedly is packed with dysentery germs. If you're not careful, McGillicuddy, you will be too. What's more, hey, you knucklehead, wake up! I'm talking to you. There's a fly on your mess gear. Now, don't forget to wash that thing before you eat. That's right, Mac. First in line, last in brains. Let them pile all that good, wholesome food on top of those germs. Remember, Mac, thy guts shall be like knots in a wet rope.
No. Oh, no. 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 No.
And so, kiddies, that is the story of Private McGillicuddy and the bad little germs, and how he learned to wash his mess gear and live happily ever after.